G'day everyone, Emmanuel here from Townsville Marine. This little destroyer is an absolute weapon of a boat. We've got $500 a metre off these boats at the moment. So 435 destroyer, it's got a canopy on it, bow mount plate, painted this really nice blue, alloy anchor well, front and rear casting decks, 50 horsepower Yamaha side console, little sounder in it, perfect little boat for the creek. On a good day you can duck out the front. On a dunbier trailer, $500 a metre off. Come and see us, Townsville Marine, 943 Ingham Rd, the Bohle, 4774 3777, 4774 3777, or go to our website, all the W's plus townsvillemarine.com.au. Actually, you don't need the W's, townsvillemarine.com.au or tsvmar.com.au or townsvilleyamaha.com.au. All roads lead to Townsville Marine. Cheers then.